And people that through experience, like they've maybe cracked the back on the chair as a kid or used a foam roller, feels quite relieving, quite nice. But you will rarely get the click or the audible sound from the segment which is actually restricted. So people who click the neck a lot, they feel like they need to, but what ends up happening is the ones they can mobilize just end up becoming hypermobile, and the one that they actually need to mobilize just stays stiff, and everything just keeps getting looser and looser and looser.